Counting the cost, assessment begins on the financial fallout of the recent heavy rains. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, saved by a phone call. A family tells how they escaped certain death after they received a call about impending danger.
Don't shoot. Licensed firearm holder in police custody after waving gun at motorists.
Sacked. Cumberland High School principal out of work after his contract was not renewed.
Top cop, police officer of the year announced.
In the business day, free up hemp. Calls made to end a double standard regarding the plant.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What can be done differently to mitigate against flooding in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.